Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this delicious and yummy meal together. Today's video we are going to be making chicken and potato sauce. So I have my chicken on the bowl and here is my spices. I have chicken seasoning, salt, curry powder, paprika. So I'm going to leave all the ingredients in my description box, so do well to check it out. Everything I used to marinate this chicken, I'll drop everything in my description box. So I'll mix them together to incorporate very well. So I'll be adding in garlic and ginger paste, and cover it with cling film. I'll be covering it with cling film. Then I'll put it in the fridge and allow it to rest for like 1 hour or more than. You can as well do it overnight. It depends on what you want. That will enable the sauce to enter or to marinate into your chicken very well. So I have my pot on fire. I'll add in a little bit of oil. Then I'll put in all the chicken for them to fry a little bit before we proceed. So I'll flip everything over to get the both side fried. So here the both side is well fried. I'll be adding in the Irish potato. Then I'll add in water. So add in my spice, that is chili pepper, grounded chili pepper. Then I'll add in salt, Maggi seasoning, and curry. So all the spice I add now is very little because our chicken is well spiced. So I'm adding in the vegetable. I use red bell pepper, green bell pepper and carrot. So I'll add in scotch bonnet because the grounded chili pepper is not that hot. So I'll cover it to steam for 1 minute because I don't want the carrot to be too soft. I still want it a little bit crunchy. So I'll be adding in corn flour mix. I mix a tablespoon of corn flour with a little bit of water. So I add it to make it a little bit thick. We don't want it too watery. And we are done, guys. It's as simple, very simple but delicious. So if you have this, are you going to pair it with any other thing? Pair it with rice or you eat it alone? I love to eat mine alone. It's very delicious. I would like you guys to try it out. If you have watched to this extent, kindly hit the like button. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always stopping by. And to our new subscriber, you are welcome to Unique DJ Space. Thank you all for the love. Keep supporting your girl by subscribing, liking, sharing and commenting down below. I see all the love. I didn't take any for granted. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you all. God bless you. See you all in my next one.